soul. Lily, look, I have a soul. Aww.
No, wait, let me take pictures. Hold on.
I have a soul here. Aww. Michael. I'm not afraid to use it. Aww.
What's your snowman's name?
Frosty. This needs that. Aww. Oh, his head is precious head. I'm not done.
What's your snowman's name, Julie? Oh,
Fredward.
Fredward.
The broken snowman. Fred. The broken. The very broken snowman. This looks no good from this.
Oh, that's Michael's. Put it back. Julie. Julie.
Julie. It's safe. Yes. You squished them. There you go. There you go.
Throw it at Grandma.
It's the best.
No.
A snow got made out of snow.
Where's my good jacket? No.
God! That's the cost. Oh. Oh, it's your jacket. In my shirt. Don't eat the snow. It is freshened from my foot.
¿Con el aspa? ¿Qué el aspa?
I was down at you to get Michael, Mom. Mommy, he's on my face.